I purchased these many products from Stays. If you want to know what all these products, so stay tuned. So there is a sale going on 50% off. Like जब मैंने purchase किया था 50% off चल रही थी, and there's sale going on Stays site. So I have purchased so many products, and I'm going to share with you what all products I have purchased. So the first thing which I have purchased is the set of brushes, which I am really in love with the color of this brushes. Basically, it's beautiful पर्पल कलर, काफी सुंदर है ये ब्रशेस. दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ 6 बेसिकली. आप बोल रहे हो कि यहाँ पे 5 है, बट these are all the brushes that are in this set. We have a brow and mascara wand here, and this is like you can say eyeshadow lining, eyebrow lining brush. I use this for concealing, and this one for the eyeshadow one, and this is the highlighter brush, and this one is a powder brush, and this is a foundation brush, and these are how I use my brushes. So these are really cute. The color is really nice. The color is really vibrant. But the thing is, what I've seen is the bristles is coming off ऐसे ही. मतलब अगर मैं एक या कोई ब्रिसल ऐसे ही अगर पुल आउट कर लूँ तो ये ब्रिसल इसका निकल जा रहा है. So the bristles are really loose. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये ज़्यादा दिन लास्ट करेंगे अगर I'll use it on everyday basis. But yeah, what I think is powder brush का जो bristles है वो काफ़ी easily निकल के आ रहे हैं. Even I guess on the foundation brush as well. bristles काफ़ी loose हैं इसके. But the softness really soft. The brush is really soft. It is like application भी बहुत अच्छा है इनका. काफ़ी like size में भी काफ़ी like convenient है. So this is somewhere around 600 on the site, but I got it on 50% off. It was really affordable. The set of 6 brushes in 300 rupees or 399 basically. This was a great steal deal for me. So yeah, these are really cool brushes. If you want to have a new set of brushes in your vanity, so आप इसको ज़रूर try कर सकते हो. So these are the brushes that I have purchased. The second product that I have purchased is a lipstick, a 3-in-1 lipstick basically. This is there, I guess, a new product, I guess, new launches maybe. But this is really nice. This is a beautiful lipstick. The lipsticks are really buttery in their. जितनी भी lipstick मैंने ली, सारी lipstick काफ़ी अच्छी हैं, काफ़ी smooth हैं on your lips, and शेड्स भी उनके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं यार इस शेड रेंज में. एंड दिस इज बेसिकली अ लव ट्रायंगल लिपस्टिक 3-in-1, एंड दिस सेज लाइक इट इज़ अ मैट लिपस्टिक एंड ट्रांसफर प्रूफ नहीं है. ये ट्रांसफ़र होती है बिकॉज देर इज़ अ बटरी टेक्सचर टू इट, सो उसके वजह से वो ज़रूर ट्रांसफ़र होती है थोड़ी सी. बट या लिपस्टिक एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे काफ़ी स्मूथ है ऑन योर लिप. आई शो यू हाउ दिस लुक. दिस इज बेसिकली 03 कैरेमल रोज शेड, एंड दिस इज हाउ द लिपस्टिक लुक. दिस इज द पैकेजिंग, and this is how it is inside the wand. ये this is one shade and this is one is the another shade, and आप दोनों shade को mix करके एक third shade भी create कर सकते हो. It's beautiful basically. आपको इतने सारी multiple shade लेके घूमने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is the one you can really rely on. So yeah, this particular thing really fascinated me और मैंने ये purchase करी. I really wanted to try. इसकी एक काफ़ी trending lipstick जो अभी Instagram पे चल रही है, कीको मिलानो की lipstick, उसका ही dupe इसमें भी available है, which is like Stays. It says Stays Gloss Lock Liquid Lipstick, 2-in-1 liquid lipstick. So this one particular shade is 02, which is I Am Pretty, and it's beautiful lipstick. It is tested. I have tested it. I have shared an honest review of this particular lipstick that ये ट्रांसफर होती है या नहीं होती है. Please check that video out and let me know कि आपको क्या लगता है, आपने ये lipstick यूज़ की है या नहीं. This is same as the packaging is. It's basically a dupe of Kiko Milano. But what my review, what my thoughts about this lipstick is there in that video. So go check that video out. Yeah, this is the shade. This is beautiful shade with the gloss. And this shade is 02. I Am Pretty. There are मल्टीपल शेड रेंज. आपके पास लाइक बहुत ऑप्शन है शेड चॉइस के लिए. काफ़ी अच्छे शेड रेंज दिए हैं बेसिकली स्टेज ने. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द शेड. दिस इज द शेड आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ, दैट पर्टिकुलर 02 I Am Pretty. And the third lipstick I have purchased is a pencil one. This is matte. It says matte and smudge proof lipstick. This is the shade basically, and the shade name is 06 Down Blush. This is the name of this particular shade. I'll just swatch it for you as well. ये कैसी दिखती है? It's really buttery. The lipsticks are. This is how it looks on the skin. I am in love with the lipsticks that Stays has. बहुत अच्छे रेंज हैं, बहुत अच्छे लिपस्टिक क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी बटरी है. बटरी होने की वजह से it definitely transfers, so you have to reapply it. But the quality, I guess, the application and the quality is really nice. This is the pencil lipstick I have which is Pout On matte and smudge proof, it says, and it is 06 downtown. So this says that it stays for 12 hours. I don't think we have to reapply this lipstick. So yeah, these were all the products I have purchased from Stays. If you want a link of all these products, let me know in the comment section. I'll share the links with all of you, and let me know what all product review you want in my further videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.